Variables in Thunkable are used to store data that your app can reuse while it is running. They help your app remember information like text, numbers, or user input during a session, making your app more interactive and dynamic. Start by opening Thunkable in your browser and selecting your project. Once inside the editor, go to the screen where you want to use a variable. Next, open in the Blocks view. In the Block Editor, find the Variables section. Here you can create either an app variable or a local variable. An app variable can be used across multiple screens, while a local variable only works within the current screen. To create one, use the initialize app variable or initialize local variable block. Give it a clear name like score, username, or input value. You can also assign an initial value such as 0 or empty text depending on what you need. After creating the variable, you can update it using the set variable to block. This lets you change the stored value while the app is running. For example, you can set it to a user's input or increase it when a button is clicked. To use the variable, simply drag its value block into other parts of your logic. You can display it in a label, use it in a condition, or pass it to another screen. Variables are useful in many situations. You can use them to store a username in a login screen, track scores in a game, or temporarily hold form inputs before saving them. If you are using Thunkable's AI chat, you can also create variables by describing what you want. For example, saying store user input in a variable and show it in a label will automatically generate the logic. After setting everything up, test your app using Live Preview. Interact with your components and check if the variable updates correctly and displays the right values. And that's how you set up a variable in Thunkable. You create it in the Variables section, assign and update values using blocks or AI chat, and use it to store data throughout your app.